guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brittany. Hi, how are you? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I see you. I love you. So thank you so much for returning. And today we about to slay the camera for ya. And we're gonna do this beautiful look that I created with the one, the only Daisy Marquez palette. Oh my god, look at it. It's so freaking gorgeous. Literally guys, like I said, if you guys follow me on Twitter, don't forget to follow my social media. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I said that once it hits my doorstep, I'm gonna do a freaking video, and you guys know I keep my word. So I'm so excited. We're gonna go ahead and create this look. I'm not gonna jibber jabber for too long, but I just wanted to say that I did cut my hair. If you guys already noticed, look at me, Jesus. I look so good. But I love my hair. I got little bangs. Look at that. Yeah, I love my hair. I think it looks so good. It looks so much healthier. It's so much curlier. And there will be a video on that soon. So stay tuned. So let me stop talking. Let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. Alright guys, before I start my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Neutral, and I'm just going to dab this onto my eyes because I have super veiny eyes. I say this like every freaking video, but yeah, dab dab. And then I blend it out. The brush that I use is this brush from Jaclyn Hill, JH08. She calls this the All Things Creamy brush, and she literally made this brush because she uses it to blend out her concealer. So that's what I use it for, you know. Oh, look at that base. Like, this is an instant difference. No veins, no discoloration. All the ugly shit is gone. So we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna pull out this freaking palette. Look at this. Look, oh my god, Bhcosmetics. The packaging that they send you anything in, if it is always in this is like bougie. I like this. Because now, when I take the palette out of here, I'm using this for the rest of my life. Like, if I go to the beach and stuff, I'm taking this if I want to bring makeup with me, or like vacation, because it's gonna protect my shit. Like, this is so dope. It feels like I got this for free. I did. I didn't even have to pay for it. Let's get to the real tea. We got that Daisy times Bhcosmetics. Hey, Daisy. Look at her. She looks so gorgeous. I love her. And her makeup. Once I found out that Mitchell did her makeup, I almost died. I was like, what? I wish I can't wait. If I ever get to meet Mitchell, I hope I get to meet him one day, that he gets to do my makeup, because I love his fucking skills. He is brilliant. That guy's a god. So I'm just going to read to you guys what it says on the card.
It says, I'm so excited to finally share my palette with you all. To my flowers who have been there with me since the beginning, this one is for you. I've worked so hard to bring forth this palette, and each color has been created with you all in mind. Can't wait to see all the magic that you create with it. Love you always, Daisy Marquez.
So we're now going to go ahead and reveal the palette to you guys. I know you've probably already seen it, but I'm going to reveal it, you know? Ready? This is the palette. Look at the packaging. Honestly, when I first seen this, I thought it was like see-through, but this is like a picture of how the palette looks. We're going to open it. I opened it and took it out upside down, of course. Oh my god, guys, look how cute it is. It looks like a little Tiffany box, and it says Daisy Marquez, and it has a little bow and Bhcosmetics. And then you remove this bad boy from here, and we have the mirror. Wow, these colors. The camera is really picking them up nicely. They're fucking beautiful. This is such a nice palette, honestly. I feel like when people do a lot of colors like this, they can never really put it in a palette and make it look cohesive and elegant and nice. But this looks nice. Like this, for the packaging being like a different color and just a lot of color going on in the package, it all looks like it belongs together, like it's a family. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more. and we're gonna jump in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this bright tangerine red, and it's called Karma. And we're gonna go ahead and put that onto our crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take that color on the JH37, and this is a smaller flat top blender brush. So I'm just tapping the color onto my crease and placing it down before I blend it. I love the shade, and clearly, guys, you can tell that she is not lacking on pigmentation. There is no patchiness. We'll see how it blends out, but there's no patchiness. This is sticking onto the skin very well. The pigmentation is crazy, and there is not a lot of pickup inside of the pan. Just a little bit, but you know, with pigments and eyeshadows, you just can't avoid that. You can't avoid that. Now we're just gonna blend out. I'm holding the brush literally from like down here. I'm just gonna blend the tip out, the edges out of this color. Make sure there is no harsh líneas. I hopped off camera really quickly to finish this eye because I didn't know exactly how I wanted it to look. I really like it. I hope you guys like it, and I think it will look so dope once I, you know, put my lashes and all that on. I think it will look so good. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this eye really quickly. The next color that I'm gonna go in with is Flower, and this is a beautiful yellow color that represents us, her flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right above this corally color that I set down. I'm gonna take Flower on my JH34, tap it off. This is a beautiful pigmented yellow. It's super pigmented. I'm going to hop off camera very quickly, do a cut crease, and then come back and finish this eye off. So I went ahead and did the half cut crease. I just used the Tarte concealer that I primed my eyes with because that is my favorite concealer to cut my crease with. And now we're just gonna go and move on to the next shade. So I'm gonna pop in this color right here, which is this shimmery mint color. It's called Dream. I'm gonna take the color Dream on the JH41, start putting this onto our eye. So I like to pat it. Moving on to the next shade, I'm gonna go ahead and plop Slime Money Sign. Slime Money Sign, bitch. And I'm gonna put this into the innerest corner right here. I'm taking Slime on my JH41. I just cleaned it off. And I'm plopping that on the rest of my eye. Look how pigmented that is, guys. That is just one dab. Get it as close as you guys can to the edges to make sure your edges pick up the color. So blending the colors together like that. Do you see? It's kind of blending. So we're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm taking the Morphe M432, and this is a flat top brush, and I'm taking that red color, corally red, Karma, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this eye. I kind of make it like more rounded. You see what I'm saying? we're moving on, and we're gonna go ahead and use the color Naked on my brow bone. I'm just a person who likes to use matte colors on my brow bone. Me and my brother discussed this earlier. So, just gonna plop this right here. And I'm going in with the JH42. This is like a super small brush to apply this into little areas. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera, finish my face, do my eyelashes, and then I will be back to finish the lower lash line off. Yeah. So I went ahead and hopped off camera. I finished my face. I think it looks beautiful, and I applied my eyelashes. I did apply a little bit of eyeliner. I just used the NYX matte eyeliner, the black one, and then I went over that with Matter, which is the black color in the palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the lower lash line so that we can finish and complete this look. I'm taking the color Karma, which is the corally red shade. I'm going to go ahead and line that with the JH40. I'm going to line my lower lash line with this. Next, I'm going to go over that with the color Cocoa. So lastly, I'm going to take Icey. I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. Taking Icey on my JH42, which is a super detail brush, I'm going to go ahead and put that into my inner corners. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Ooh, this shade is nice. Oh. I just like completed the entire look. Alright guys, and that is all for today's video, and this is the completed look. I love it. It looks so bomb. My skin looks good. My eyes look even better. And just for $23, like this palette being $23, like what? The fact that it has like the vanity style mirror is what makes it so special. Like, look at that. I'm literally going to be using this from now on, like in all my videos. But I love this because it's so useful. Like when you go on vacation, if you ever need to like put it on a desk because you don't have a mirror, it's so good. And it just magnifies together like this, so you'll never lose it. I love it. I think it's worth the money. I think the quality is amazing, so I definitely would recommend this palette. Pick it up if you haven't already before it sells out. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, please give this video a thumbs up for the cure to my ugliness. Thank you. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you guys to join the fan band. Please subscribe. And last but not least, don't forget to turn your post notifications on to get notified every single time I upload. Till next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.